Do you want to transform your skin in 5 minutes? Stay and I'll teach you the Tanaka anti-aging technique for your skin. Tanaka Massage is a technique we will perform consistently over a course of 3 weeks, ensuring to capture a photograph at the onset and a photo afterward. When are we going to do it? In the morning. We are going to start now, and the first thing we will do is an activation and relaxation. Start by gently prepping the neck area before moving on to the face. For this massage, how are we going to do it? Well, first of all, our focus is on the initial lymphatic chain, specifically on improving drainage methods. Look, we are going to place the fingers that you already know are from Star Trek. Okay? We start here and go a little upwards. You don't need to place this finger here. Put it comfortably. We are going to start stretching here. Be careful not to lift the skin. That is, don't move the skin to one side, okay? In place. We're going to do this about 10 times. It's a preparation for the massage. Here and then we go to the neck, okay? We go to the neck, place the palms. And here, okay? Without lifting the hands. Stretching 10 times, and we're already on the second one. Second massage we're going to continue on this part, okay? And we're going to do it with a little bit of oil. Put a little bit of oil on your fingers, especially these 2 fingers are the ones that will work in this case. All right, and we're going to start. We start here, okay? In the tragus area, that is approximately in the middle of the ear starting area, okay? And we're going to go down here. Start by moving down from the neck, and once we reach this position, move towards the chin and trace along the contour of the jawline. Above the bone. Here. Okay? Go back. And we go down. Keep going a little. We repeat it again, okay? Here. Remember, it's for relaxing, and the movement has to be smooth but also firm. Open, that is, press a little. And relax when you lower the neck. Okay? That would be the second massage. Let's move to the third. Let's go with the third massage. And also mention that this Tanaka massage is not an ancient oriental massage. It's a massage from the 80s, so it's not that old. And it was invented by Yukuko Tanaka, hence the name Tanaka for the massage. And it is based on acupressure. That is, all the areas we work on are because there are points there too, and they also have muscle stimulation. That's why it is done in a firm and slightly deep manner. Let's move on to the third massage now then, for the nasolabial fold. Nasolabial fold, if you remember, are these lines that appear here. Where are we going to do it? Well, we are going to place ourselves on the line at the bottom part. They start here, right? And they end here, so we are going to start from the bottom. And what we are going to try to do is move upwards. Look, we start with 1 finger, okay? With a little bit of oil on each finger, and we work. As if trying to move upwards. And we are going to do this. Normally I tell you 10 times, right? Well, we are going to do this 20, and we are going to include afterwards, when you already have the site, the 2 fingers. What are we trying to do with this? Lift and raise deep but gentle the massage. And this would be the third massage. Let's move on to the fourth. Fourth Tanaka massage. Facial tone for me is my favorite because we are going to work on this whole part and also the forehead. So we are going to go with 3 little steps. Remember, 2 fingers are essential to work, these 2. If needed, let's mix the ingredients, including a small amount of oil for added precaution. And how are we going to start? Well, look, we are going to start in the cheek area here, okay? Almost right next to the nose, at the hollow of the nose, we start here. In fact, it's an acupressure point that also slightly releases the sensation of being able to breathe better, so we are working on 2 little things, okay? Put this finger too, and notice, firm, a little deep as this massage is. We follow the lines of the bones. And here, okay? Notice how smooth and relaxing it is. We go back again. Your face almost guides you, It's very easy to do the exercise. There. And lifting it, we're going to do it 10 times, okay? First, obviously we're going to tone the whole area, relax, recruit the muscles, and activate them as well. It becomes even more perfect and feels looser, creating a greater sense of relaxation. Second, what are we going to do? Always 2 little fingers here, notice. We're going to open as if we wanted to bring out the smile, okay? Reaching almost to the end. Here, the lower fingers are very important, right? Apply slight pressure as you approach the conclusion with caution, yet insist on pressing. And here, press the upper ones. Okay? When you finish the lips, press more with the lower ones and go all the way to the ear. 10 times, we repeat this last one, okay? Come on, follow me there. That's it. And the third, and not least important, on the forehead, okay? First, we start with 2 fingers. Make sure you know here, in the middle, okay? We stretch. Okay? To the temples. And when you are clear about where we are and what we are doing, the 4 little fingers, a little oil on each one to help you. If not, you need, take more. And we stretch, see how well. Stretching. Relaxing. That's it. And this would also be 10 times, so 30, right? Always do this exercise in the morning, and now let's move on to the last one. 5th and last massage we're going to do, look, with the palms of the hands, right? We're going to release and finish relaxing this whole area. Look, place it here, as if you were looking at me right now from your home, okay? We place it here, and we stretch, okay? Here. Backwards. Okay? We return. Here and again. We enter. We stretch. Here we press a little more. Let it drop and again, okay? 10 times this. Still here, simply to complete the Tanaka massage and help you relax further. Which of course, I tell you, is wonderful. If you have any questions, write to me. And as always, to healing and beyond.